Introducing the 2021 Skoda Octavia AMB 1.0tsi with 110 horsepower in sleek grey. This manual saloon is perfect for those seeking comfort and safety. With features like air conditioning, Bluetooth phone and lane departure warning, every journey will be a breeze. Plus, the anti-collision system and multiple airbags ensure peace of mind on the road. Rest easy, knowing this vehicle has a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this reliable and stylish ride. Call us or visit burnscarsales.ie for more details.